Hello everyone. Good morning to everyone, my best friends and my professor also. So my name is Mit Hirenbhai Patel, and currently I am living in first 441 First Avenue, Mount Lawley, in Western Australia, and my phone number are given in the resume. So I had a training at a Research Accutex, training of accounting because I think I love to do accountancy. So. Uh, I had a training from 1st June 2021 to 31st of June 2022 at a Bigger Equitex. I met so much of challenging of managerial role in the professional office environment. One of the example I want to exceed that when employee is when I simplified the process of data retrieval from my managers. Yeah, and currently from January 2015 to current CSR at British Petroleums. My manager name is Ramesh Patel, and and I know how to serve the customer in a proper manner, and I also learn the safety of team members and customer also. And the last aspect is to how to answer every question which is arrived by customer, and I have to replenish her whole store. And I had an education in my country. I had a higher secondary certificate in my in a local school named A1 Xavier's English School, and it is authorized by a Gujarat University. Then again, I had my secondary school certificate from the same school. Its name is A1 Xavier's English School from the Gujarat University. And currently, I'm pursuing a diploma of commerce in Edith Cowan College, and then after, I'm going to have a pathway course named a Bachelor's of Commerce in the Edith Cowan University. So I learned so many I learned so many skills and personal quality like I know how to serve a customer service in a sales industry, and I can handle the cash and credit transaction, and I can type accurately at a good speed on the computers or laptop. I know three languages: English, Hindi, and Gujarati, and anyone can trust me, and I am punctual and reliable, and I know how to handle any safety emergencies like that. And I like to play cricket, badminton, and I got so many certificates into my school team in my country. And whenever I get free, I like to listen song in my leisure time. And I like to explore more cars because I am a car person. So in Perth, I have two references. First is Manthan Patel, is my brother. He's also working in a BP fuel station. And another is Apurisha Patel. He is my auntie. So he is currently working in a clinic with pathology. So thank you for listening me, and have a nice day.